Good morning, Virginia and Maryland. Here we are, Ricky Salinas Freedom Plumbers with Amber Fox. We're currently in Arlington today. We are going to be checking out our team, Nehemiah Martinez with Theo Kim, and they are doing a cast iron descale via Picote Solutions. Let's check out how it goes. Not really. Well, that was fun. Nehemiah is doing awesome. He's pretty much almost done with that descale. He was able to advance approximately 100 plus feet with the sewer and camera from an access inside a small utility room off the back of the house. And so far, it looks like that pipe is doing good. And what's really, really cool about this is that Nehemiah is saying that after descaling this pipe, he's actually going to salvage it, when other plumbing companies said that they had to replace it. Now, let me tell you what a replacement will look like. That's the house, and there's a hill going down to the house. So a replacement would be from there all the way to the middle of the street. You can expect the pipe to be on average 6 to 8 feet deep over there, but over here, 12 to 15 because of that hill. So if Nehemiah is able to salvage this pipe with that Picote, he just saved the homeowner tens of thousands of dollars. And that's the genius of David Bellovich, his pipe specialist free camera, and Nehemiah's skills. Awesome.